What?
He's so cute. This one. Look at his
Hey.
little face.
Hey, duck. Ooh.
This one's sleeping. He fell asleep.
I think it's dead.
He fell asleep. Oh my god.
Look at this thing. Emma, do you like those animals? What is that?
Look at those fuzzy things.
Holy shit. What the hell is this thing?
Look at the little baby dog.
Is that a turkey? Why does this thing have a scrotum hanging off of its nose? How did his scrotum get on his nose? Is he here to be operated on? What is this, a turkey hospital? Why did he have a scrotum on his nose?